Hey squad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yuri Tochila, and let's get started. Today we are breaking down what a project really is and the key characteristics that define it. What is a project? A project is a temporary effort undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Let's unpack that. A project isn't forever. It has a clear start and a clear finish, and it always produces something unique. That could be a product, like a new gadget, a service, like a food delivery app, or even a change, like reorganizing how a company works. In other words, projects are how we bring about transformation. They are not business as usual, and they don't just carry on indefinitely. Key characteristics of a project. First, a defined objective. The project has a clear purpose and measurable criteria for success. Second, a defined scope. The work to be performed is clearly outlined, with boundaries in place to control what is included and excluded. Third, constraints. Projects operate within limitations, such as time, cost, and scope, often extending to include quality and risk. Fourth, a project team. Individuals with different roles, skills, and expertise collaborate to deliver the project outcomes. Let's examine a simple real-world example. We decide to open a small coffee shop in our city. We structure the lunch as a project. Scope: a cozy cafe with a limited menu for the first 3 months. Timeline: renovation done by July, menu tested in August, lunch in September. Budget: 30,000 for renovation, equipment, supplies, and marketing. Resources: we bring together baristas, a contractor, a designer, and a marketer. Risks: we plan for supplier delays and unexpected costs, so we set aside 10% as contingency. Result: on launch day, the doors open, the espresso machine is humming, the staff is trained, and customers line up out the door. Why projects matter? Most of the time, we are just keeping things running, but when we want to build something new, like an app, a building, or even a big community event, that's a project. Projects matter because they are the bridge between I have an idea and look, it's finished. Alright, that's all for today. Don't miss out, hit like and subscribe. Stay awesome, and as always, peace.